Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make word art transparent in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to click New Slide drop-down menu. Then create a blank slide. Then go to Insert menu and click Word Art drop-down menu and choose any style of word art. Now type your text. Now select this text and go to shape format. Then go to text field and choose a deep color. then go to shape format and click this format text effects drop down menu. Then click text fill and outline. Now increase this transparency of color. Here you can see I make word art transparent in PowerPoint very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.